Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the Facebook app. Open Settings and Privacy, then Security and Login. Once there, tap Use Two-Factor Authentication, choose Authentication App. You'll see a prompt to link an app. Make sure Google Authenticator is open on your phone, then tap Setup manually if needed. This step creates a secret key or QR code. You do this now so Facebook can hand a one-time code to the authenticator. Don't skip copying or scanning the code. Once the QR or key appears, switch to Google Authenticator and add a new account. If you scan the QR, the account appears immediately with a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. If you type the secret key manually, double-check characters, then save. Make sure the code shown in Authenticator matches the time frame on your phone. Time sync matters. After you see the code, return to Facebook and enter that 6-digit number to verify the link and confirm two-factor authentication is active. You'll finish by entering the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Facebook's Verify box, then tap Confirm. Once successful, make sure you download or write down Facebook's recovery codes and keep them offline. This lets you regain access without the app. If you can't get a valid code, check your phone's time settings and sync automatically in Authenticator, then rescan the QR if needed. Following these steps ensures you can both log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.